Our Gladiator now has an adjustable tailgate. Stay tuned to find out how. Does your truck bed leave you wanting more, as in wanting more space? Well friends, you're in luck because Summit Racing now offers Gate King Tailgate Adjusters. In this video, we're gonna show you how to install these ingenious little hinges and maximize the cargo space for your truck bed. But first, be sure to like and subscribe to that Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any content like this or more. And be sure to punch that notification bell so you're the first to know when we post a new video. Now, just a minute ago, we called these tailgate adjusters little hinges, but actually Gate King tailgate hinges are made from chromoly steel and they're pretty sturdy. They essentially replace your tailgate cables and have 8 adjustable positions, so you can have your tailgate open and create just the right amount of additional cargo space. How about the installation? We're gonna show you how that goes in just a minute, but first, let's see what comes in the box. Instructions, worm gear clamp. I think I know what that's for, and that's really cool that they put that in the box. This little rod and our 2 tailgate hinges. It's super cool. You can see that's how it locks. So it's all your different adjustments. When you close the tailgate, it resets. So wherever you want to set your adjustment, you just simply flick that forward and it goes. So let's get to it. So we're ready for our Gate King install, and this is super easy. It's just a couple of bolts to throw our strap on. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and remove this upper bed bolt and then this stop here. These actually interfere with the Gate King arms when the tailgate's closed, so we have a replacement bolt for that. Then we'll pull this one out here and get the strap thrown on. It's super easy and super straightforward, so let's get to it. Now with that tight, we're gonna go ahead and remove this lower bolt in the tailgate strap. So we have our old tailgate strap removed, and we're almost ready to install our new one. Now, a couple of things to note first is to make sure you have these on the correct side. So the ratchet mechanism faces up, so this one goes on this side, but it's also important to note, if you look at the part number, on the back of the tailgate strap, it ends with an L or an R. So because this one ends with an L, it is our left-hand side or the driver's side of the vehicle. So there's different size spacers for every Gate King tailgate strap application. So for our Jeep, the thicker set of spacers goes in the top and the thinner set goes in the bottom. And they go on the back like this into this little channel. And this allows the Gate King strap to slide. So got that one slid into place. I'm gonna go ahead, grab our bolt, and I'm just gonna run this one in by hand first before I get the top installed as well. So let's get the top bolt thrown in. Similar to the bottom installation, we're gonna slide the spacer in like that. Slide our bolt through. With the bolts in place, our tailgate strap install is almost complete. We just have to torque these bolts to spec and then repeat this exact same process on the other side. And just like that, our tailgate strap install is complete. But we have one little added bonus. They went ahead and threw this worm gear clamp right in the box, and if you guys know anything about pickup truck tailgates, that you can kind of hold them at a 45 and slip them apart, and it's super easy. The downside of that is that people with truck tailgates getting more and more expensive, people have decided that they want to steal truck tailgates. So an easy, cost-effective way to make it a little bit harder is to take a worm gear clamp and put it around this side. So that's gonna prevent someone from getting your tailgate off, and if you need to take your tailgate off, it's super easy to remove. All you need is a screwdriver. But it's gonna deter someone from stealing it in the moment if this thing's in a parking lot or whatever. So we got our clamp split. We're just gonna go ahead and feed it around here. So our clamp is almost tight and a little snugged up. So I'm actually going to spin it, the clamp part, to the back here. And then I'm going to grab a ratchet. So this thing's nice and tight now. Like I said, it's going to prevent someone from getting your tailgate off easy. And if you need to remove it, it's easy to remove as well. So with that, our Gate King install is all finished up. Let's go ahead and test these things out. Now let's see how these things work. As you can see in this function, they work just like normal tailgate straps. So everything is normal. And then when we want to use them in their ratcheting function, just go ahead and you reach over here and unlock the ratchets. And then you have all the different positions. So position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5, position 6, position 7, position 8, back to regular tailgate, and then they unlock themselves and reset every time you close the tailgate. So that is super, super cool. You don't have to worry about resetting the ratchets or doing whatever. And one of the other neat things about this is when you get into, like, say, we'll unlock the ratchets. When you get into a position like this and like the wire can be hard to grab, they even throw a cool little tool in the box. So I can go ahead and I can unlock them. And then right back to a regular tailgate. It's also worth noting that these Gate King hinges are compatible with tonneau covers, toolboxes, bed racks, whatever you have, you name it. They're truly versatile. And versatility is the name of the game when it comes to having a truck bed and our Roman Gladiator project. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and the golden question is, what are you hauling?